So hello guys and welcome back to my Scratch series. This is the tutorial one and it's my second video on Scratch, and I will be showing you how to move this cat around its space. So let's get started. By the way, I'm using the offline editor just because I don't want any stuff happening on the internet. So that doesn't affect anything, by the way, it's the same as online. If you don't know that, just check out my other video, my first video, which is how to get started on Scratch and download this exact thing. So let's get started. So if you want to move this cat around this box, what do? Well, obviously that's why you came here to my video. So I'm going to show you exactly that. So you go to Events, which this is where all your commands are, which you start other commands with. So we want to move this cat around. So we want to make it go, let's say, right. So we select this command here when space key pressed, and drag it into our box, which is our programming box, and then select right arrow. So what is going to happen now is nothing, because we haven't got a command to follow when we press the right arrow. So, as we said, we want it to move 10 steps. But it's very important to have a point in direction, so it doesn't go in any other way. As you can see here in info, you can actually with this rotation thing here, you can do it to go any degree you want, and it's very important to put in a direction so it doesn't get messed up. So it doesn't get messed up accidentally, so it won't work. So it won't work for you. So point in direction 90 and then move 10 steps. So it's going to do exactly that. So it's moving. Now we want it to go backwards. So we get another event. We go to events and then get another of these and pop in left arrow, and then we do the same thing, except we point in direction left or minus 90 degrees. This isn't relevant now. So, and then move 10 steps. This could be done by minus steps and without the point in direction, but this is a better working solution. But there will be a very smoother action later on, which I'll show you, which makes moving a lot smoother. It's smooth. I can't talk right now. So when we press the left arrow, it moves 10 steps, but upside down. So what if we don't want it to go upside down? Well, we either have the set rotation style, left, right, or don't rotate and all around. Well, this is a sort of useless command the Scratchers put in here. I don't know why, because this is very easily manageable from the info of your sprite. Here you can see rotation style all around, left, right, and don't move at all. So we want this one. And now we'll do a moonwalk when we press left, when we press the left arrow. As you can see, you can name your sprite here. Let's just call it cat. And it shows your position on the X and Y axis and the direction, which is the default one, which is move 10 steps, because that goes that way. And then show the player can drag drag in player, and then show, which is just another thing for this. But we're not going on to this now. Later videos will come on that. So we have our cat here, which can move right, and left. So let's just move it into the 0, 0 position here. So we want it to go up and down. So basically, just do what you did with the different point in direction. Up, down, and then motion pointing when down is going 180, point in direction 0 up, and then move 10 steps. of course, if you want your cat to move faster, you just alter the steps it takes. So let's say 15. So when we press any of the arrows, it will go in that direction and take 15 steps every time we hold it. So this is going much faster now. What if we don't want the cat to go infinitely? Let's just say, I'm trying to get it in 0, 0 position, never mind. So, we don't want it to go infinitely. Let's just say we want it to go to the right for, let's say, 30 steps. So here in controls we have a number of very difficult looking commands. That's what I'm here for. So we need the repeat one here, and I'll be getting into all of these in later videos. So we need the repeat one here. So we wanted it to go for 30 steps when we press the right arrow. So we drag it into here, and then we alter the repeat number to 2, and that will 2 times 15 is 30. That's basic math. So when we press the right arrow, it will repeat twice the move of 15 steps. So let's try it out. So that's move 50 steps. Let's try it again. As you can see, X and Y is up and down, and X is left and right, if I'm correct. I'm sure, yeah. So let's try it. So we're watching X, we press it to the right, and yes, it's moved from 30 to 60. So that's alright. So let's say we just don't want this for the moment because it's just moving now infinitely. So you've got this cat who can move in this area. Let's say you don't want it to go out like this. You can only see its tail. This is another simple, very simple command, which is if on edge, bounce back. That is just as simple as that. Drag him in, and now it can't go out. So let's try and find a background or a stage for this cat who is trapped in this box here. So let's see. So here you can, on the stages, you can choose from the library. You can make one, which I'll be getting onto as well in later videos. So I'm getting onto literally all of this stuff here. So I won't say it anymore. Upload backdrop from a file which you've downloaded, or you can take a photo. So I can take a photo of myself and then put it into the backdrop, but that wouldn't do any good. So let's choose a backdrop from the library. So here you can see all your default and default backgrounds which come with the Scratch. So let's say we want this bedroom here because let's say his mum has locked him in his room. But you can also choose from other themes here, and you've got categories, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. Let's just go bedroom 2. And as you can see, here is your bedroom. Here you can alter your bedroom if you want. You can draw anything you want in it and make it completely yours and different and customize and everything. So this is the stage. So we don't want backdrop 1. So we just exit out. So now we have its bedroom, which he is in. So this is going to be a little quick overview on this customizer here. As you can see, you've got all these lines and all these stuff here you can do. As of course, I will be getting onto those as well. But let's just do something very simple here. As you can see, this radio has only 1 antenna, so let's draw 2. So we want this line. Let's make it a bit thinner. And then choose a color. And then let's just draw. That'll do. So, as you can see, it's appeared here. So now, we can go back to script. And the cat is in his bedroom, locked. So he can't go out of his bedroom. He can look out of his window, and that's it really. He can look at himself in the mirror, or you might want to draw something there. So yes, this is. Oh, actually, I'll try and draw something on there. I don't know how, but I think you can take it apart. There's somehow which you can take the bits of the cat apart, but I'm not going to do that now because I think I've just forgot. So I think this will be the end of the video. Hope you've enjoyed. Comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos on all the stuff I have said in this video, because there will be lots of videos and there's lots of stuff to get onto. So I'm not sure when I can get them out. I have school and all those stuff and training, so I have some days where I don't do anything, but that might be just having a break, but I might do videos. So stay tuned. Look out for my videos. They will be coming soon, so don't expect them in a few days, but definitely in 1 or 2 weeks. Bye bye.